In this video, we will see how to write on an image in Google Docs. There are three methods. You can see in the first method, you can just insert the plain text like this. Then you can insert the text inside the box, and you can also decorate the border of the box. And this is the third way of adding the text, where you can add the bubble text like this so that it pop-ups on the image. First, I will delete this image to show you. Insert the image you want, then cut the image and go to the insert option and click on drawing plus new to open the drawing dashboard. Paste the image and center align the image. When the image is center aligned, you will see the red line. Now to insert the text on image, click on the image and here you will see text option. Click on it and click on the image where you want to insert the text. A text box will appear. Adjust the text box inside the image. Double click inside the box and write the text you want. Then select the text. Now you can customize the text from here, like you can change the font to impact. You can also change the font size. If you click on this three dots, more options, you will get more options like bold, italics, underline, and also you can change the color. Here I will select white so you can see it easily. You can also highlight the text from here if you want. I will select here red to show you. If you don't want, you can select transparent. You can center align the text. You can also middle the text in the box. And once you are done, click on the image, or you can also resize the text box and move this text on the image where you want. Now let's see the second method where we will insert the text box. To insert text box, click on the image, then go to the shapes option here. You will see many shapes. You can select any one. Here I will select rectangle. Draw the rectangle and double click inside the rectangle and type the text. Go to the more option, then center align it and click on middle. Select the text, make it bold. You can do italics or whatever you want. Here I will select white text, and from here you can fill the color inside the box. Here I will select the red one. You can change the border of the box. Here I will select white, and you can also change the thickness of the border. You can even dash line the border of the box. You can change the font here to impact and then change the font size. You can also change the size of the box if you want, like this. The third method is go to the actions. Here you will see word art. A text box will appear and type what you want in the text box, then press enter on your keyboard and a bubble text will appear like this. You can then customize this like this. Change the border thickness, change the border color. You can also increase the border thickness. Here I will take black. You can make it dotted if you want, but I will leave it. To fill the color, you can fill it from here. For example, I will select here yellow. You can resize the text according to your need like this and then place it. And once you are done, click on save and close to insert the image with the text. In this way, you can write on an image in Google Docs. If this video helped you, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon so you won't miss any updates. Thank you.